Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor 400 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both smartphones and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow in first pop-up. Then allow all in the second one. Following that, you can tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Honor and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Honor, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access your files. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. Finally, you can close all visible ads. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!